Hey guys, we are back here at the Valley, deep in the Valley, at Maggie Valley, at the VW's in the Valley show. We're checking out some bugs, checking out some swap meets, some shows. Man, there's so much to look at. Look at all these bugs. This is beautiful. I think that you get down to the steering wheel, Columbus steering wheel. This is so great. Yeah, we saw this one already before. Look at this red one. This is gorgeous. Man, look at this car. Is this your car? Can we talk about it?
Sure.
Hi, I'm VW.
Hi, I'm Sandy.
Sandy, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
This
nice
car
meeting
is
you.
gorgeous.
Thank you.
Do you drive it? It looks like it's never driven.
It's driven.
It is driven.
Yeah, we
Walk
drive
me around
it.
the car. Tell me about
Sure.
this. I'm just trying to pick up what I see, and right away I'm looking at hubcaps that are
Yep.
hand-painted VW hubcaps.
We did hand paint
Beautiful.
those.
Wow. Look at that. Who has the steady hand? I'd be all over the place. And
That was a tag team effort.
really, really great.
Thanks.
Tell me about how did you get your car?
We looked for cars. My kids had cars when they were growing up,
Sure.
and I didn't. And so a couple years ago, it was like, I want a VW.
Yeah.
So we went
absolutely.
on the hunt and
Yeah.
found this.
What year is it?
It's a 65.
65.
Yep.
Look at that. There's so many things to look at. I really just appreciate
you.
like the built-in indicators inside the headlights.
Yep, we tried to keep it as original as possible.
Yeah, horn rings in the front.
Yep.
So cool. Little indicators. You know, not many people have the eyelashes, the eyelids here, which give it a
I think
whole.
it adds a cute
just
touch.
a fun, cute touch.
Yep.
Yeah, really pretty. This red, was it red like this when you got it?
No, it's recently been painted.
Man, it just pops.
Yeah.
Like you're flying a drone overhead, you see it. It just
Yeah,
it's
it's
gorgeous.
not the normal red.
Okay, what kind of red is it? Candy apple red, firehouse red?
I would
Fire
say
engine
probably more fire engine.
Fire engine, yes,
Mhm.
definitely. Fire engine.
Yeah, because the other red has got a little bit more orange to it.
Okay. This sounds like a deep purple kind of base
Yep,
to the red, yeah?
yep.
I really like it. I'm a
Thank
fan
you.
of the reds.
Oh,
so,
thanks.
So a red car is always good to look at. Man, with the running boards and everything. And roof rack when you got it or something you
No,
added?
that's brand new.
Brand
well,
new.
It's a old version,
Okay,
restored version,
sure.
but it's new to the car.
Yeah. And then you got your surfboard ready to go surfing. And
I'm ready to
suitcase,
go.
So you're like,
Yep,
California,
I'm ready to
let's
go. I'm originally from California.
Oh,
so
what
they're-
part?
San Francisco.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Yep.
I lived in LA for about 18 years.
Okay,
before
there
moving
you
back
go.
Here. Yeah, I got family in San Diego, and
Yeah.
I never saw a bug like this there, so I must have missed it. With the
Sorry.
leash, on
Yeah.
and everything. You got safety going on. So cool.
Yep, we tried keeping the original interior. The sides, the panels have been replaced, but original seats.
If I go around the other side, can I open and come
Of
inside?
course you
I'll meet
can.
you on the inside.
You bet.
Look at this. Oh man. Something about the way these cars just open so well, right? Are we getting in? We're getting
Sure,
in. Let's
get
do it.
in.
Look at this. Oh wow. Oh man, this dashboard's beautiful.
Thanks.
So is this the original color then?
This is the original color.
Man, kind of a darker, kind of a burnt rust
Yep,
orange.
yep.
Yeah. I
So you
kind
can
of feel.
see the inside here
Yeah.
is all original.
It's kind of like a two-tone feel then, right?
Little
yeah,
bit.
It's really cool.
Yeah.
Look at this. You know, people underestimate the value of a good handle, right?
yeah.
Especially these roads and these hills.
Yep,
So nice.
yep. But it's got
Oh
original.
man. Yeah. It all. These are cardboard.
Yeah,
Yeah,
kind of
it's-
a paper cardboard. That's original.
Because it worked back
Yep,
then, right?
this is. We tried to keep it as original as
it's
possible.
so great.
This is a doorknob.
Oh, it is. Look at that.
It's a porcelain doorknob.
Oh, it works.
Yeah.
It's great. Little seat handle. Feet. Oh man, this is really cool. I'm loving the steering wheel too. Look at this.
Yeah, that's an
Man.
original steering wheel.
Beautiful. Oh man, did you do the?
We did the hood liner and the
headliner's
side
great.
panels,
Yeah.
which we kind of need to redo.
You think so? I don't know. I'm loving it. I feel.
okay.
I'm feeling all the things.
But
Wow.
yep.
So good. And you guys drove it here.
No, we trailered
That's right.
it.
That's right. You said that. Sorry.
Yep.
Man, I think that look at that close and those lines. Wow. You
It's a
picked
pretty solid little
You
car.
picked a great one. Yeah.
Yep.
Is this
It
your?
was red when we got it,
Mhm.
and it was we bought it from an older man, and he didn't do the bestest. So it was like, okay.
This is
time
a second
for-
life.
It's
Yeah.
a second life.
Yeah. Absolutely. Oh, look at the emblem on there. Look at that.
Oh, my Wolfsburg.
Yeah, Wolfsburg is cute. Oh, you went all out. Okay, you got the jack. These are tough to find sometimes. Look at that. It's the little things, you know?
Yep.
So cool. Yeah, super clean. Wow. Beautiful. What
Thanks so
a
much.
beautiful car.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm pretty proud.
I love it. Do you think you'll get another one down the line or?
I'd like a bus,
Okay.
but we'll see. You need room for that.
What's up? Maybe a red and white one to go next to it and match. Maybe
You just never know.
Never know. Yeah. Past is this your first bug? Or
It's my first bug. My husband, for our kids, he would buy bugs for them.
Yeah.
And it
Every
was like,
kid needs
I
a bug,
never
right?
had one.
Yeah.
It was like, this is baloney. So it was kind of like, I'm old enough now.
It's your first bug.
So
Yeah.
I got my first bug.
I love it. Do you have something on your list you want to do next on the car? You're like, if I have a little time.
Engine's going to get refurbished.
Oh, can we take a look at it?
Yeah. Open the...
Is it just push and open?
Yeah.
I can do it. There you go. Whoa.
It's not...
Oh, no, I like it kind of sweaty.
Yeah.
Nice.
So that's going to get redone.
Okay.
I'm going to get new brakes.
Okay.
Maybe new transmission.
I can smell the new paint smell, right?
Yeah.
It smells great.
Yep.
Wow. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's probably, what, a month? 2 months.
You got to watch just
2
when it
months
closes here,
old.
it doesn't hit the...
It just
Man.
misses.
I heard a term the other day, a frog's hair, and I'm like, yes,
Oh,
that's
you
that's
go.
the tiniest little part of a frog, the little bitty hair. Yeah.
Yep.
Just how they sprayed everything in the louvers is just great. Wow, really, really pretty.
Thank you.
This paint job is amazing. It's hard to get this just all flowing right with no peel or drips anywhere, you know, so yeah. Engine done, but you got the rear pop outs here.
Yep.
So the air just flows all the way through when you're
Yep.
driving and everything.
Yes, it has no AC, so that's what you got to do.
You need AC, you're chilling in your
That's
bug,
right.
California style. You got the board ready to go with the rusty fins on there
Yep.
and everything. So has you been to the show before?
We've been here a couple times, yes.
Okay.
But this is the first time that it's really been out since it's been painted.
Yeah. It's your big debut.
Yeah, pretty
So
much.
excited to meet it on
Yeah.
its first day out. This is
Yeah.
awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for chatting with me. I really
You're so
appreciate it.
welcome.
Yeah.
I appreciate
Yeah. Good
it.
luck on the show and everything.
Thanks.
It's gorgeous. I'm
Thank
gonna
you.
walk one more time around it real
You
quick.
bet.
Wow. Beautiful, beautiful. Everyone's having fun. Couples in the bus. Hi, Mom! Awesome, so great. New steering wheel coming in strong. Hey, buddy, how's it going? I'm loving your bus. It's awesome.
Thank you.
Complete with Scrabble board.
Oh, yeah.
Jerry, I found you a can. Look right here. Comes in red and green. This is a cool pop out. It's like a mushroom top. It's fun. Let's follow you. So great. Awesome. Buses, bugs, rails, splits, ovals.
Oh, I like the light bulbs. I think
Yeah.
blue, right?
I think you got it. It looks perfect. Don't change a thing. 4-seater. I want to go for a ride. Take me for a ride. Let's go. That's great.
Wait till after the show and off.
All right. Look at that. Invitation granted. Look at, man, that's awesome.
About 100 mile an hour.
Really? Downhill, 100 miles an hour. You heard the man. What gypsy soul?
Yes, sir.
I want a rock and roll gypsy soul.
Rock and roll, keep you go, buddy.
Wow. Look at that. Everything. People put their personalities, their hearts and souls in these bugs, and it's awesome. It's like a lawnmower. It's on the floor. You can't get any closer. I mean, there are lowriders and there are lowriders. This car is as low as you go. Beautiful, beautiful oval. Unbelievable, really nice. You like that one? It's for sale? What's your favorite car? Which one do you like the best?
Oh my gosh, there's so many.
You can have just one.
If I could have just one, wow. We haven't made it all the way. We haven't made it all the way through.
Okay, I'll catch up with you at the game when you leave.
Definitely,
yeah, all right.
definitely.
Enjoy the show, guys.
Thank you.
And every once in a while, you get a fastback. This, still in primer, but here, made it to the show. Sweet. I really like these taillights a lot. What do you guys think? Smoothies. Yeah, European style. Got it going on. Look at that. Crazy off-road. I think you need more hella lights. Amazing. Look. And I always like those convertibles, the verts, but you gotta find the Wizards or the head muelers or whatever. Look at this car. Is this your car, sir?
Yes, sir.
Amazing. I'm VW.
John Ferguson.
Nice to meet you, man. Tell me about your car. How did you get this car? Well, what is it?
It's a 71
71.
Bug with 64 fenders molded on.
Oh, they're molded on.
Yes.
Oh, look at that. Did you do this?
No, guy got it from, did the body work on it.
Okay.
It's been capped, top's been chopped.
Man. It is so sleek.
Oh yeah, everything's been shaved on it pretty much.
Man, and I see it's all molded together. It's all one piece.
Yes.
That's killer. Wow. Because I'm feeling like a wizard kind of feel, right? Like, you know, those wizards are really great. And then,
Oh, yeah.
Then of course you go like old, expensive, classic head muelers, right? 2-seater convertibles. But but this has like so much gangster soul with the chopped
Yeah.
windshield and everything.
Yeah, it's on air ride.
Oh, it's air ride. You can.
Yeah,
You can,
I can raise it up or lower it down.
Man, that's great. How does it do at shows? People must be all over the place. Like, what's this? What's that? Right?
Yeah,
'Cause-
a few people.
yeah, it's super unique.
Yeah.
That's great.
You don't see too many of them.
No. The guy who did this must have taken hours to mold these together and have it all one piece. That's
Yeah.
crazy.
It's getting ready to get repainted and some other stuff done to it, customized. But
Okay. What color are you thinking?
it's going back to the original color. It's
Okay.
purple.
This is like the plum purple, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's really nice. Can I see the engine?
Yes.
Got a Stingray in the back here. Man. Oh, I love your teardrop taillights. Is that what they call those? I don't
Yes.
know. Man.
It's nothing special.
I don't know. I think it smells
60.
great. It smells great.
Yeah.
It's nice.
I run a little bit of fuel additive in it, but
Right. We've got a beefy carburetor.
yeah, 2-barrel, progressive.
On the road, no problem, drives and everything, yeah.
Now I brought it over from Clinton, Tennessee today.
Oh, okay.
So we left about, 4:30 this morning?
4:30 from Tennessee, top down, and you're just gonna hit the road. My man, nice.
Yeah.
The wife's like, I don't know about that.
She had a blanket, she was cold.
Right. I love the MP shifter, though. That's really cool.
Oh, yeah.
It's kind of a classic, right? Those are hard to find.
Oh yeah.
Man, that's nice. You got to keep that, and the steering wheel's epic too. The GT's,
Yes.
that's really great. So nice. Oh, I guess you had to put the brackets in the side here because of the...
To support it.
Support it, yeah,
where
'cause
the
once you
top's
cut-
been cut off. Yeah.
Yeah,
It's got
yeah.
supports underneath too that's been welded
Oh,
in.
cool, look at that.
So
Yeah, so he did not only just do the grafting of the body, but he made the structure stronger
Yes.
too. Man, that's awesome.
and I mean the doors are they're easy to
Oh
they're
yeah,
light.
look at that. Wow. It's awesome.
I appreciate it.
I love it. Like a glove.
Yep.
Boom. Man, I've seen it before where the fenders and the top are all one piece and the whole thing folds forward.
Yeah.
But never where the fenders were molded to the side panel,
Yeah.
quarter panel. That's something different. And I like that you kept the old school dome lights. It keeps you have the line going all
Oh,
the way
yeah.
through, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
California bumpers, which means no bumpers.
That's it.
It's a spaceship.
Yeah.
It's a spaceship. It's great. Wow, man. Well, thanks for letting us talk to you about your car.
appreciate
it's
you.
really excellent.
Thank you.
Can't wait to see it when it's all repainted.
Oh yeah.
Pink motor. How's it going?
Good, really good.
Is this your car? Make an offer. You can own this Herbie. Totally own a Herbie. That's cool. Look at that. All the accoutrements. I love it. Well, that's it, guys. That's it for me. Great. Have a great week. And I will see you guys on the next one.